to live with a very sore throat for over a week, it gets very tiring very quickly. But because of the fact that's the case, I have got a very busy week this week. The next 2 days, I am fully booked from the moment I wake up to the moment I go home at the end of the day, which is absolutely awesome for the business, and I mean super awesome. Like, I've got back-to-back appointment. I've got 7 appointments in the next 2 days, which for me has been a while since that's happened, so that's awesome to have. The problem is the sore throat, the cough and everything else. Everything else with my body, fine, just about, but this is the bit that annoys me. So, first of all, I've given the GP a call and they're going to prescribe some amoxicillin or some antibiotics. That's good. At least I've got something. Second of all, I've contacted every single one of the appointments I've got coming up and given them 3 options, because I believe in making sure that my customers feel healthy. So, and also feel safe. So my customers' health and safety is my number 1 priority. That's how I've always done it. So these are my 3 options. Option number 1 is basically very simple. I still turn up, but I wear a face covering. You know, remember all these times? Remember when we had to all wear these? I wear this, I wear some gloves, and, you know, have some antibacterial spray. The alternative would be for me to rebook for another week's time, so probably next week. And then there's the third option. The third option is the one that I don't really want a customer to choose, but I give the option just in case, and that is for them to close down their ticket and go somewhere else. Don't really want that to happen, but because of the time that it takes to get an appointment booked in, that's the reason why. But they are basically pre-booked, ready for the next available appointment slot, rather than having to wait in the queue for another slot to come available. That way they've got a little bit more time and flexibility to choose an appointment. But that's what I'm doing to protect my customers. Face masks and, you know, health and safety, washing the hands, washing the mitts, which is always fun. Anyway, I'm gonna continue on with the work that I've got. I've currently got sat on the queue, minus the 7 appointments, I've got another 7 tickets on the queue, plus another 6, and that's just there. I haven't even looked at my emails in the last couple of days, which I should probably do, because we have some events coming up, of course, which of course is the Link for Business, which is next Tuesday. So the good news is I think there is now 7 people booked in next Tuesday for Link for Business. That's awesome. If you are a Boston-based business and you wish to find out more information about Link for Business, head over to Link for Business on Eventbrite, and that's how you can get it. There is a free appointment if it's your first time. Come and say hello. Well, the time is hit 5:24, and I've managed to do a little bit of work. Managed to get a bit of stuff done. I will need to wash up that bowl before I use it again for my next noodles. Tomorrow I've now got 3 appointments. Thankfully one of them cancelled, but that's because they had their issue resolved. And then on Thursday I've still got the other ones still active, which is good. You know, I've looked up and it's not too bad for the business this month. In fact, it's actually really good. It's the amount of money I want to be earning per month to run the office. So let's go ahead, we'll pop out here and I will head off for the night. In fact, before I do that, I need to grab the rubbish bin. Stuff like this. The boring, mundane tasks, such as taking out the rubbish. Now, thankfully I don't have to do anything with the rubbish. Unless, of course, it's the weekend, then I'll take it and I'll actually put it in the bin itself. But all I have to do is stick it outside the door. Then tomorrow I'll be done. But because I am out tomorrow on call-outs, I probably won't be in the office tomorrow. So I've got everything I need, unless everything goes pear-shaped. Anyway, let's head off home, see how the dogs have been for their day. See you later, Jason.
See you later, really.
All right, look after yourself.
And you, hope you're going back tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm out all day on appointments. There should be... I know there's some rubbish outside the doors down there.
That's right, yeah.
All right. I thought I'd let you know. All right, see you later. Well, I've come back home and I've been working on the project that I've been doing. Today's the day that you're going to find out exactly some of it. Here's a trailer for what we're going to do.
Two nations collide. USA versus UK. UK-themed gangs with US law and order. Which will you be? Join the Discord now.
Welcome to my new 5M server, Clash RP. Links will be in the description down below. Anyway, thank you very much for liking, commenting, and of course, subscribing. Till next time. Bye-bye.